Have you ever wondered how you can make money from Speechify.com? Welcome to the world of Speechify, a platform that's revolutionizing the way we consume online content. Imagine being able to transform written text into engaging audio content. That's the magic of Speechify. Picture this: you're a busy entrepreneur on the go, or perhaps an avid learner who loves to multitask. Speechify offers the unique ability to convert articles, books, or any written material into audio, freeing up your hands while keeping your mind engaged. But that's not all. This platform isn't just about consumption, it's also about creation and monetization. Are you a creative soul with a knack for storytelling? Or perhaps a subject matter expert looking to share your knowledge? Speechify gives you the tools to create engaging audio content and earn from it. From authors to entrepreneurs, Speechify has a place for everyone. Now that we understand what Speechify.com is, let's delve into the money-making process. First things first, to make money from Speechify.com, you need to become a user. Now you might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Start by heading over to Speechify.com. Once you're there, look for the sign up button. It's usually located on the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a registration form. Here you'll need to provide some basic information: your name, email address, and a password of your choice. But don't rush through this process. Remember, your profile is your personal brand on Speechify.com. It's the first thing people see when they come across your content, so make it count. Choose a username that's unique and memorable. Add a profile picture that's professional yet approachable. Write a bio that clearly communicates who you are and what you have to offer. Now, once you've created your account, it's important to stay active on the platform. Why, you ask? Because Speechify.com rewards active users. The more you engage with the platform, whether it's by creating content, commenting on other users' posts, or sharing valuable resources, the more visibility you gain. And as you know, in the world of online content creation, visibility equals opportunities. Opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Opportunities to get your content noticed by potential sponsors. Opportunities to make money. And isn't that why we're all here? But remember, being active doesn't mean spamming the platform with meaningless content. Quality always trumps quantity, so take your time to create valuable, engaging content that your audience will love. Listen to their feedback and continuously strive to improve. And there you have it. You're now a Speechify.com user. But don't stop here. The journey has just begun. Keep exploring the platform, learning from other users, and honing your content creation skills. Once you've set up your user account, you're ready to start making money. So, how do you actually make money on Speechify.com? Well, it's a question that has been asked by many, and today, we're going to break it down for you. There are 3 main avenues for earning on Speechify.com: creating content, obtaining sponsorships, and leveraging the platform's affiliate program. Let's start with creating content. As a user of Speechify.com, you have the opportunity to create and upload your own audio content. This could be anything from podcasts, audiobooks, to even your own original music. The beauty of Speechify.com is that it pays you for every listen your content receives. This means the more engaging and attractive your content is, the more listens you get and the higher your earnings. Moving on, we have sponsorships. This is a fantastic way to boost your earnings on Speechify.com, especially if you have a large following or a unique niche. Companies and brands are always on the lookout for influential voices to promote their products or services. If your content aligns with a brand, they may sponsor your content, leading to a significant increase in your earnings. Finally, let's talk about the affiliate program. The Speechify.com affiliate program is designed to reward users who bring new listeners or content creators to the platform. For every new user you refer to Speechify.com, you earn a commission. This is a great way to earn passive income, as you're rewarded not only for the initial referral, but for every listen that the referred user makes or receives. So there you have it. The earning process on Speechify.com is all about creating engaging content, attracting sponsorships, and referring new users to the platform. It's a process that rewards creativity, influence, and community building. Remember, the more effort you put into creating quality content and building your audience, the more you stand to earn. So get out there, share your voice, and let the world hear what you have to say. Understanding the earning process is key. Now, let's explore these methods in more detail. One of the main ways to earn on Speechify.com is by creating your own content. Now, let's delve into the world of content creation. Creating content on Speechify is akin to painting your own canvas. It's all about expressing your ideas, sharing your knowledge, and connecting with your audience. But where do you start? First things first, you need to decide what type of content you want to create. Speechify is a versatile platform that accommodates a wide range of content types. You might choose to create informative podcasts, engaging audio lessons, or riveting audiobook narrations. The choice is yours. Next, it's time to get your creative juices flowing. Start by brainstorming ideas that you're passionate about. The more passionate you are, the more likely you are to create content that resonates with your audience. Remember, people are drawn to authenticity and passion. Once you've decided on your content type and topic, it's time to start crafting your masterpiece. Keep in mind that quality is key. You want to create content that's not only engaging but also clear and easy to understand. Pay attention to your diction, pacing, and tone. Now you might be wondering, how do I monetize my content? Well, the beauty of Speechify is that it offers multiple avenues for monetization. One way is through the number of listens your content receives. The more listens, the more earnings. Pretty straightforward, right? But that's not all. You can also earn through premium content. This is content that your audience pays to access. So let's say you've created a series of audio lessons. You might decide to offer the first few lessons for free, then charge a premium for the rest of the series. This gives your audience a taste of your content and entices them to pay for more. In essence, the more value you provide, the more willing people are to pay for your content. Creating engaging content is a surefire way to start earning, but that's not the only method. So, stay tuned as we explore other ways to make money on Speechify. Sponsorships and affiliations can be a significant revenue stream on Speechify.com. As we navigate through the world of Speechify.com, it's important not to overlook the potential goldmine that is sponsorships and affiliations. These strategic partnerships can significantly boost your income and help you reach a wider audience. But how do you secure these partnerships and how can they be monetized? Let's delve right in. First, it's essential to understand that sponsorships and affiliations are a two-way street. Businesses and organizations want to partner with Speechify.com users who can offer them something valuable in return, typically exposure to a particular audience or demographic. So before you start reaching out to potential sponsors or affiliates, ensure that your content is top-notch and your audience is engaged. Securing sponsorships often involves direct outreach to companies that align with your content. Begin by making a list of potential sponsors whose products or services are relevant to your audience. Then create a compelling pitch that outlines the benefits of sponsoring your content. Remember, it's not just about what they can offer you, but what you can offer them. Affiliations, on the other hand, are generally more accessible to secure. Many companies have affiliate programs that you can join, which provide you with a commission for any sales generated through your unique affiliate link. Look for affiliate programs that align with your content and audience, and incorporate these links naturally into your Speechify.com content. Once you've secured sponsorships and affiliations, monetizing them is relatively straightforward. With sponsorships, you'll typically receive a flat fee for promoting a product or service. Affiliates will provide you with a percentage of any sales made through your unique link. Remember to disclose these partnerships to your audience, as transparency helps build trust and maintain ethical standards. So there you have it. By leveraging sponsorships and affiliations, you're not only diversifying your income streams but also adding value to your content and building stronger relationships with your audience. With sponsorships and affiliations, your earning potential on Speechify.com can skyrocket. So there you have it, the basics of making money on Speechify.com. We've covered how to become a user, understanding the earning process, creating engaging content, and leveraging sponsorships and affiliations. Remember, it's essential to hone your craft. The better your content, the more likely you are to attract listeners and in turn, earn more. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content styles and topics to see what resonates most with your audience. Next, be proactive in seeking sponsorships and affiliations. These partnerships can greatly enhance your earning potential, but they won't just fall into your lap. Most importantly, be patient. Success on Speechify.com doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build an audience and start earning. But with consistency, creativity, and a bit of strategic thinking, you can make it happen. With the right approach, Speechify.com can become a lucrative income source. So why wait? Start your Speechify.com journey today.